Lord spoke again to Moses, words for wrongs and for repair. When a matter comes to light, this is the way it shall be made right. If anyone sins and breaks faith against the Lord by what they do, by deceiving a neighbor in trust or pledge, by robbery, oppression, or holding what's due, by finding what was lost and lying about it, swearing falsely in any of these things, when the guilt is known and the sin is clear, this is what shall be done from here. They shall restore what was taken, or what was gained by deceit, the lost thing found and denied, or whatever was sworn falsely. They shall restore it in full and add a fifth to it, giving it back on the day of the offering, according to what the Lord has said. What was taken must be restored, the wrong made right before the Lord. They shall bring to the priest a ram without blemish from the flock, according to the valuation set as a guilt offering to the Lord. The priest shall make atonement before the Lord on their behalf, and they shall be forgiven for any other things they have done. Atonement made, the record clear. What was wrong is answered here. The Lord spoke further to Moses, giving instruction to Aaron and his sons. This is the law of the burnt offering. It shall remain on the altar all night long. The fire on the altar shall be kept burning. It shall not go out. The priest shall put on his linen garment and linen undergarments next to his body. He shall remove the ashes where the fire has consumed the offering and place them beside the altar. Then carry them outside the camp to a clean place, just as commanded. The fire shall burn, it shall not go out. What the Lord has started must be kept about. Ooh, the priest shall put on other garments and carry the ashes outside the camp. The fire on the altar shall be kept burning, it shall not go out day or night. The priest shall burn wood on it every morning, arrange the burnt offering upon it, and burn on it the fat of the peace offerings. A continual fire shall be kept burning on the altar. It shall not go out. What the Lord has started must be kept about. The continual fire, day and night. The work of the altar kept in sight. This is the law of the grain offering. Aaron's son shall offer it before the Lord in front of the altar. One shall take a handful of fine flour with its oil and all its frankincense, and burn it as a memorial portion. What remains shall be eaten by Aaron and his sons in a holy place, unleavened as commanded. It is most holy, a share from the Lord's food offerings. Set apart, most holy still, the Lord provides as He will. The Lord spoke to Moses again. This is the offering Aaron and his sons shall bring on the day when he is anointed, 1/10 of an of fine flour as a regular grain offering, half in the morning, half in the evening. It shall be made on a griddle with oil, mixed well and brought in baked pieces as a pleasing aroma to the Lord. Every priest who is anointed to succeed Aaron shall offer it. It is a statute forever. It shall be wholly burned to the Lord. From day to day, from priest to son, the offering stands until it's done. Every grain offering of a priest shall be wholly burned, it shall not be eaten. is carried right. The Lord has spoken, the order is clear. This is the law set before those who draw near.